Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bucket4, and today we are going to learn about Elastic Load Balancer, also known as ELB. So basically ELB is nothing but a server which forward the internet traffic to a multiple EC2 instance, or you can say multiple servers. As of now you can see example here. We have a RAM and SAM which is making a request to our ELB, and ELB is distributing the request to a different EC2 instance. So we are going to see the demo as well for this diagram. Okay, before going forward, we need to learn why we need to learn about ELB and what is the use of this. Okay, first one, as of now you can see in a diagram we can spread the load. Okay, if you are coming the multiple requests, it will not redirect to only one EC2 instance. It will route to other EC2 instance so that they can handle the load. Okay, and the second thing is, if you are increasing your EC2 instance, okay, without ELB, so you are creating a multiple EC2 instance, okay, to handle the load, but different EC2 will have the different endpoints. So ELB act as a single point. Okay, so that's a single point of access exposed at the single point. That's one use. And one more thing is, ELB always check your instance health, whether it's up and running or not. It will check for within a certain period of time. Okay, and it also provide a SSL HTTPS for your website. Okay, and it's highly available across the zones. Okay, that's the use of load balancer. Okay, as we go further, we'll see what is the use of all ELB. Let's go back to our demo section. Before starting, if you're new to the channel, do subscribe and check out other AWS related video. We are about 25 videos till now. Okay, from scratch we have started and we have reached till ELB. To subscribe, you can check out my portfolio rakesh1.in as well, and you can have a look into this. If you're on GitHub, you can follow me there or check out the repository as well. If you're on LinkedIn, do follow me there as well. You can connect with me or reach out to me for any help or any suggestion. I'm happy to accept it. Okay, so here's our console. Okay, we will see how you can do the demo as well. Okay, we'll do the demo. So for demo, in our diagram we have a multiple EC2 instance. You can see here we have a 1 2 3, but we are going with a 2 EC2 instance. Okay, so we'll create a 2 EC2 instance. Okay, let me give ELB demo 1. So we'll go with Ubuntu. Default is everything is fine as of now. Okay, allow the traffic HTTPS. You can give the name as well. Let me give the name for ELB demo EC2 EC2 so that we will remember what security group we have created. Okay, inside the advanced section we will run one script so that we can deploy our HTML systemctl apt. Okay, and just instead of 1 you can give 2 3 4 as much as you want. Okay, so our EC2 instance is done. Now go back to our EC2, and you can see here under the load balancing we have a load balancer. Okay, just click on load balancer. You can see here we have different types of load balancer, which is application load balancer, networking load balancer, gateway load balancer. Okay, previously it was 4, now it's 3. We are going with application load balancer. Okay, you can read out all the documentation and all you can create, and you can see here you need to give a name without space and hyphen. Okay, so we give EC2. Okay, a application load balancer. Okay, internet facing IPv4. This is okay, and we'll check all the AZ default security group. We don't want default security group, we need a ELB security group. Okay, I will show you what is there in this ELB EC2 security group. Okay, not this one. I believe we need to create a security group for our application load balancer. Okay, we'll give this one application Application Load Balancer security group. Okay, and we give allow HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, VPC is a default VPC. We need to add the inbound rule. Here you need to give HTTP port 80 custom IPv4 anywhere. Okay, and add security group. Okay, I will add one more security group which will be HTTP S, okay, from anywhere, and create security group as of now, and we'll refresh it. Here we will get application load balancer security group and we'll deselect this. Okay, now protocol HTTPS anything is fine. We'll go with HTTP only, port 80 for the simplicity only. Okay, so we need to create a target group. Okay, target group. So target group, we will select instance, target group, ALB target group, HTTP protocol. Okay, you can select the different HTTP, HTTPS and all. There is no issue in that. IPv4, and then here HTTP1 version protocol. This is for the health check. I have mentioned in my demos section, like what is the use of ALB to check the health as well of your EC2 instance. Okay, everything looks good. Register. Okay, these are our EC2 instance, okay, which we have created. Okay, let me do one thing. So as of now, two EC2 instances running, correct? So we will name it. This one will be 2. Okay, and target group, refresh it. Okay, these two instance include is a pending below. Okay, and running. Click on next. Okay, everything is ready. Register target group is this one, port 80, health check, HTTPS. So every 5 seconds it will check whether our EC2 instance is up and running or not with this path basically. Okay, create a target group. So now our target group is ready. Okay, just wait for the health status. Okay, and we'll refresh it here. ELB target group, it is fine, and keep it default as of now. Okay, you can verify everything from here. Okay, basic ELB networking mapping security group, listening and routing, port 80, and create a load balancer. So our load balancer is under process, it's provisioning, so it will take some time. Okay, before accessing our web server via DNS name, you can see here. So before that, we will access via IP address only. Okay, so we'll go to our EC2 instance, click on public IP address and just type it enter, and we'll able to see our site. Yeah, you can see here this IP address is different. Okay, this is our first EC2 instance. Okay, and here is our second EC2 instance. Which public IP address is this? Okay, I guess still it is under progress. Okay, at least this one is working. We'll see why it's not working here. Okay, so now we'll go to our load balancer. We'll have something called the DNS name. Copy this DNS name and trigger it. You can see here we are getting 172, 31, 75 and 91. Okay, which is not this one. Let's see whether we are able to access it. Let me remove this. Yeah. Now you can see we are both accessing our website. Okay. This one is IP address is different 175 and this IP address is 191. Okay. These are the different EC2 instance. Okay. And now I am accessing from only one point. Okay. You can see here, which is 191. Just I will refresh multiple time. I will get different IP address. Mm, yeah, you can see here it's now 175. So it's routing to different EC2 instance based on your traffic. Okay, sometimes it's 191, sometimes 175. You can see here. So just now we have given, you will see the demo of how the ALB is helpful. Okay, so this is a demo for ELB and we did the demo as well. Now you need to clean up as well. Okay, clean up in the sense whatever the instance you have created, you need to terminate it, or else it's going to cost you. So what you can do, terminate your EC2 instance. Okay, terminate it. Go to load balancer. Okay, now deregister your target group. Okay, register target group, deregister target group, deregister. Okay, now you have deregistered it. Go to load balancer and try if you are able to delete or not. Delete load balancer, confirm. Okay, now you are able to delete it. So make sure after demo, try to clean up all your instance whatever you have created. Okay, and this much for today. We'll see in upcoming videos other things. And if you're new to the channel, do subscribe. It motivates me to create such videos for you. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.